Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about 10 apps that you use on your phone. Like, don't forget to watch this video to the end because the best apps are located at the end. I don't know. These apps are not arranged in any order of significance anyway, but I just want you to watch the end so that you can see the apps I'm going to talk about. So the first on my list, because I love photography, is Snapseed. Like, Snapseed can bring your pictures alive. Like, there are so many things you can do. There are basic and there are complex photo editing that you can achieve with Snapseed. This one I just did on this screen is just like one of the most basic things you can do and get your pictures to look stunning. So the second app, which I believe everybody should have on their phone, is Canva. Like, who doesn't use Canva? Do you not use Canva? Canva is the professional graphic design that has so many things for templates that you can customize. You can use, if you don't have to download the app. You can use the web version. You can use it on Android phone. You can use it on Apple phone. Like, I don't think there's anything that doesn't support Canva. You can use it for videos, for your pictures, like so many things. Please download Canva today. Then the third app, which is one of the apps I use the most, is InShot. You can use it for photo editing. You can also use it for video editing, and you can use it to make simple videos for your sales, or even to keep a memory. Can gather your pictures together and work, and before you know it, you already have a video that you can always look back to. So get InShot today. It's very easy to use. It has free and full version. Then this one, Spotify. Like, I like using this app for my podcast and music too, yes, and other things, even learning. Like, if you search for many learning platforms, like you can listen to them, you can listen to podcasts to keep you going in your day. You can listen to your favorite artists on Spotify. So it has a pro and free version. Yes, you can subscribe to pro. If you subscribe to pro, no ads. That's it. So the next one, Google Fit. Yeah, you need to be fit physically and otherwise. So this one will just help you to track your exercise. It can even give you tailored exercise, like suggest some YouTube videos for you. Another one is Google Meet. This one, you can use it as your conference app to make video calls, to even do prayer for someone. Like, it has this screen sharing option. You can also use it to make calls, send voice notes, send messages. I think I'm going to do a full video on this to explain all these things. But meanwhile, just download this. Then this one has been saving me. Like, it's a free online app. Okay, it has web version too. Allison is a free online site, education site that you can go to learn anything. See, in this generation, you don't have excuse to not know something because these things are there for you. You can learn for free. Then when you need the certificate, you pay for it. So you can get diploma in whatever. Such the courses, stress management, photography, health, and all. Like, many things that you may not have the opportunity to go to school for, you can go to school with your phone. So stop giving excuses and start doing something about your personal development today. If you want to know about a particular course area, Allison is the good place for you. Although there are other places, why I'm mentioning this one is because it's free, like totally free of charge. But some of the courses, if you need the certificate, you have to pay for it. So another app that I recommend is WPS. Although I use many other file readers and Office suites and all of that, but I think this one, like, it's all encompassing. It's one app that helps you to read your Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and many other things. They even have templates for you, like CV templates, PDF tools, like even photo compressor, file compressor, and file merging tools. Like, there are many things on this particular app Like even if you are a school person, school owner, there are many resources for you to use on this app. It has cloud storage, it has like so many things. You can sign up, create account with them, or sign up with your Google address, like your Gmail, sorry. So there are so many things you can do with WPS. You can scan images, you can convert picture to PDF, picture to Word document. You can, as in, you can sign like this auto sign, like online signing of documents. You can do that. If you can also subscribe to the premium version, and when you subscribe to the premium version, then it opens you up to a world of so many possibilities. Like it's just an app, but if I tell you that this app is a great app and you should have it, then you should have it. Like there are so many things. If you don't have CV, I want to know how CV looks like, or so many things, just check out their templates. It's also like Canva. Check out their templates and you enjoy using this app. The next one, which I use every day, is YouVersion. It's going to help you to grow spiritually. Like there are so many plans, like plans that you can listen to, or the daily verses that you can get, even the daily video and podcast and devotional that you can get, the daily prayers, the Bible plans. You can connect with your friends. You can check out so many plans on how what the Bible says about this, or even when you are confused, when you are afraid, there are so many plans that can help you to know what God is talking about a particular situation or season of your life. There are many versions that you can check out on that new version app. So there are many things that this new version offers, and I would advise that you get it if you want to get closer to God. If you want your phone to help you to get closer to God, I think one app that you should download today is new version. So far so good. Which of these apps do you have? If you have all of these apps, then that means maybe you're my friend. If you don't have it, you're also my friend. For the fact that you're watching this video, yes, I appreciate you. So I would like for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and tell me in the comment section which of these apps you have and which one you don't have that you think you should check out. Then I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.